Ready?
Hello, everyone. I am King Randall, a member of X for Boys organization, and proud student from the Inside Out of Etiquette public speaking class.
Talk louder.
During my sessions, I will make every effort to overcome the fear and intimidation because I am good enough and I believe in myself.
Look up. There you go.
I will not be intimidated by any audience member because they are no better than I am.
Look up.
Or more deserving to be in this room.
Look up.
Good job.
Therefore, I will shine and deliver my speech with confidence. I now believe I have the confidence to deliver a speech with ease, while demonstrating the protocols learned. I am grateful for this opportunity to develop my public speaking skills. Again, I am King Randall. Thank you so much for your attention.